Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I'm going to share with you my September Studio Calico documentary kit and also other items that I got in their special sale. This month they had, usually with Studio Calico, you get your kit and you have up until the 5th to add any extras from the other kits or anything that falls into the kit category to add to your box, and it ships for free. So this month they did a huge sale. They had crazy good discounts and I grabbed a bunch of items. When I got charged on the 6th, it was like 15 10 to 15 dollars less than what I had before, and I was a little nervous, but then looking at my receipt I figured that a bunch of the things were not charged and or were like a lot lower. Like I thought I was buying something for $1 and it ended up costing 15 cents, and that made me a little nervous uh, because there are items that I really wanted that were marked at zero, and I'm like, I hope that doesn't mean that they were sold out. So I opened this yesterday, and midway through the video my neighbor had to, I don't know, plan an invasion, do yard work. I don't know what they were doing, but they were being really loud. So I already saw all of these items. Luckily, I had to make dinner like right after I finished filming, and I didn't put anything away because that is something that I like to do. That way it keeps me organized. But it was a good thing because when I was editing the video to post it right now, the noise was too loud, so I figured I would film it again. And we're gonna start with the kit, and this is the September kit. I love the colors that I saw from the sneaks and from what I saw yesterday. I'm really happy this month, and also with the sale was amazing. Okay, so I got extras from these little acetate emoji faces. They are so cute. So when I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger, but I'm fine with this size too. So when I saw them in one of the items that I could add to my box, I figured that I would grab another one and put it to the side so I don't make a mess. Okay, gonna keep the open to the side. Yeah, so this is the extra. This is the stamp set, which is so good. Again, more emoji faces and simple sentiments that I can use for my project life. These are the days. Let's do this. Yes, wow, notable details, some arrows. So it's a very basic in a good way, basic as a compliment for Studio Calico. We have this, which I thought it wasn't gonna fit in a 6x4 card, but it fits just right. And I like the orange, very good for fall. Let me see. These are the chipboard stickers, and they come in this plastic packaging, but I always take the chipboard stickers out and I put my cards there. And also these are really cute. I order extra from these too. I can use these to either journal or stamp my dates. This font is really cute. Love the color. Love the size. I'm not gonna say my one thing about it. It's fine, you know it. And okay, let's do the die cuts now. The die cuts were really cute too. They remind me of the old Studio Calico kits, the ones at the very beginning, which I don't mind at all. I love their kits. What it's really Studio Calico. Sometimes they do stuff that is a little bit different and it's either great or meh, but this sort of throwback Studio Calico, back when they did Studio Calico did a lot of good videos and also two-piece. I miss their videos so much. I don't even know if Studio Calico still does their videos. YouTube just recommends random things, so I have no idea. They probably do. Okay, so now let's do the cards, which are the final items. I love the cards, love the colors. I love the Studio Calico quality of the cards. This is really cute. Actually, most of the cards were super cute. They always have a rainbow one. Oh, I have to grab two here. Oh, so fresh. And then your favorites. I've seen lots of people take pictures of their groceries. I don't. I'm just like always like so scatterbrained that if I start, I do it intentionally for December daily because I am more intentional in December to take pictures. But otherwise, I'll forget everything. This is really cute. This would be super cute as a journal. Dog and a cat. This was probably my favorite card. But the nail polishes is so cute. And this one goes connected to another one that said weeks. Market fresh. Favorite shops, favorite restaurants, local eats. Take time for yourself. And my daughter loves cats. Love emoji. We can't have cats because I'm really allergic to them, which is such a bummer for her because she goes crazy for cats. Plants to document my dying plants. This was a really good end of the year card. It says standout moments, the good, the bad. Let's have some fun. I love this kind of image. You see, this is very old school Studio Calico. Cute. And these are super tiny smiley faces. So cute. Let me see if I hope it's focusing. There you go. Good food, good mood. This one is really cute. I love this one. This one. All the cards were really good this month. This is the one that I saw in the sneak peeks everywhere. This is really good. Flower Market. Love this one for journaling with my typewriter. Love this one. Simple for using my handwriting. And I love this one. Love this marble. Okay, and that was the kit. I got this stamp set, which I honestly was freaking out because by the time I got to add in things, a lot of things were already sold out. So I was kind of like adding a few things without really looking, and then I was like, without reading the descriptions, and then I was like, you know what, I'm going to add whatever I want, and then I'll go through it and delete anything if I want to like lower how much I spent on anything. But this one was $7 and it's so good. I'm always complaining that there are not enough numbers in their stickers and stamp sets. I always just do letters. So I'm really glad to have this one. This one is 6x8. I also have these two. This one is from Citrus Twist Kits, and I love the stamps that I need to use it more often. And this one that has the letters and the numbers. So you see, it can be done. It's a pet peeve. I'm very whiny about that. If you've been here, you know. But for $7, it was such a good deal. And I love the Studio Calico journaling cards, and these are the Color Theory, and I did not think that I would get this many. I don't know why I didn't put, again, I didn't read the descriptions, but they are basically dot grid and like a notebook sort of journaling, which I love, especially this one's for using my handwriting, and the grid I will probably use my typewriter. I got this for $1. You know that I have issues with my love for washi tape. It was very cute. I had to. I didn't have to. But for $1, and it's really pretty. Then here I kept all the stickers and, you know, die cuts. I also got this pen, and yesterday I tried it out and it was skipping a lot. So I don't know if I have to like, oh, well, that's the thing about white pens. They do skip a lot most of the time. It's really annoying. My favorite is the Sakura Jelly Roll Pen. Oh, you see, no, it annoys me. But it was $1 originally, but I think it turned out to be less than that. So it sucks, but I had to give it a try. And these I thought were acetate, but they were actually vellum, and I'm not mad at it. I do wish they had even smaller stars than this one. I do like to use these as sprinkles around my layouts. I can work with these, but still, a few smaller ones would have been great, and also lots of colors, so that's pretty good. And again, these are from Color Theory. I love that brand. They also had a few of the inks that I love using, but I already had the colors they had on sale, so I tried to stick to the basic colors. And these are acetate. And yesterday I didn't notice they had white little hearts too. And L Studio has hearts like these. I'm pretty sure they have a film. I don't want to remove it just in case, although they don't look that cloudy, so who knows. But they are very cute. Again, I was hoping for smaller sizes, but it's still good for layering and title cards and stuff like that. And this one is like really full. I think did I order 2 of this one? And that's why it feels so fat. I'm not sure. I'll check my receipt. And these ones were the ones that were marked 0. These and these. And I was so bummed because I was like, no, I need numbers. And right now they're like $1 in the warehouse sale. And I'm so happy because I love these. I love numbers, love the colors. These, I thought they were going to be puffy like these. I already have some green and red, but I do like pink too. And they're not puffy like they don't go in, you know, that kind of puffy, but enamel-ish, I would say. But I love these, and I thought that the color ones were going to be the same material, but it's not. I still like them though, and I only ordered 2. I wish I gotten one more. I think I originally had 3, and I was like, I'm gonna delete one because they were $1, but then they were either 0 or 15 cents. But they're vellum stickers and clear stickers, but it's cool because you can layer them, and I love how they look. And they have smaller ones which I can use with my layering on the photos, like I do with a little washi tape, a little word sticker, a little heart or star. So I have 2 of those. And then I have these, and I got 2 of these. Let's see which package I opened. I think I got this one open. And I ordered these because I already have something similar to this, but they're vellum. However, I love this font. I love the style, the colors, and they have numbers. So I ordered 2. I can't remember. I think it was either 0 or 15 cents. And I had to have these. They're sold out now, so I made a good decision. It's a good investment. Always, I love. These are mostly basics or must-haves. I got these, which I was planning to use in my book journal next year, and I have them by month, so I was thinking like if I planned this better I could have used these around, but I didn't really plan it out. I probably can use them now that I see the spaces. Maybe it will work. I'll see. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't. But yeah. And these were like 15 cents too. This is an extra from the Documenters kit. And I went crazy with their labels. And the reason I got a bunch of labels is because, again, I can use them to stamp the dates and to write my journaling or layer them with little word stickers. And they were pretty inexpensive too. And I got more labels, but these are round. What I was thinking is that I can use either a stamp to put the number or just put week 40 whatever in the middle and then put the dates at the bottom. They're double-sided, and I think, yeah, these are double-sided too. These are for Halloween, and these are kind of like, I love the emoji faces and the bathing suit girls. Really simple shapes that I can use all around. I don't do October daily, I should say. I just document trick-or-treating, and what I wanted to do was make a mini album of all the costumes my daughters have worn. It's our favorite thing to do. Actually, the past 2 years, what we've done is get them their costumes on June around Free Comic Book Day. That way they can do the contest if there are contests, and they can reuse them in October. So, and these ones, I think they were from the Traveler's Notebook kit, which was also really cute, but I just got these, and they are, I thought they were vellum, but they're not. They're just like a faded black. They're really pretty, and they're very basic. Now, reading, in time, courage, me time, always, this day, milestone, highlights, documented, on my playlist, things that you can use the whole year. So I think that is everything. If you have any questions, let me know. I can't wait to use this kit. It's super cute. I can't pick one favorite thing because I honestly love it all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye!